How to make a new TikTok account after being banned. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can create a new TikTok account after being banned. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So to create a new account, you have to use a new email or phone number that is not linked with your banned account. So make sure that you have a different email or phone number. But before that, make sure that you clear your application data. For that, head over to the TikTok and then tap and hold in it. Head over to app info and head over to storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. And you could also tap on clear storage so that you could start with fresh application. So tap on clear storage and confirm it. Once you do that, you could close it and then restart the application again. So once you have done that, now to start fresh in TikTok, you have to sign up on TikTok. For that, open up TikTok. Once you open it up, tap on profile at the bottom right, and here if you tap on sign in, you will land on this kind of interface. Now to sign up, head over to sign up option at the bottom. Now once you land on here, you could either create a new TikTok account with your phone number, using your email account, using your Facebook, or using your Google account. So you could choose one from here. After you do that, you may be prompted for the verification where you may get the code. So if prompted, verify it, and after that you could complete your setup with a new username and a profile picture, and your new account will be created. After that, you have to avoid getting banned again. Make sure that you do not repost banned content, and make sure that you avoid any other behaviors such as mass following, inappropriate content, or automation. So that's it. That's how you could create a new TikTok account after being banned. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.